So how did you go from, Surf Slam and IFWA into getting into being on camera?
Um, so having met Larry Rippenkroger at World Finals, just going to meet him and Scott Watkins and Fischetti and relive my jet dreams. Kind of, those were the guys that inspired me to ride. Meeting Larry kind of got on his radar. That stunt industry is very jet skiing specifically is very extremely niche in
Right.
the stunt and film industry. There have been a lot of movies with stand-up jet ski stunts or jet ski stunts, and I'm just not the first phone call. There's great stuntmen and women out there that are crushing it. You have to fit the look. It has to be appropriate. Yeah, all the stars have to align. And I happened to get lucky where Ken Jeong from The Hangover, little Mr. Chow, Leslie Chow, was doing an Adidas commercial. And they needed him to, he was set to ride in a jet ski in a swimming pool for an Adidas commercial. So I happened to be the best height, weight, look that could stunt double him. So I got a call connected from Larry and threw me into that pool. And it was a lot of fun because I was riding a 550, a gold painted 550 in a gold outfit. You probably might be able to pull up the video. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. Really eye opening to the whole, film industry per se. But what was super interesting is it's not going to be on there. It'll be on that sheet that I had shared with you, Kevin.
Okay. All right. Here,
I don't think I'd put it on my YouTube. Yeah. I think it's like Adidas Slim Chin. It's kind of funny. I never hosted the video. I should repost it. But that was actually a national. What was really cool about that? That was a national commercial during the basketball playoffs. So it got like crazy airtime. Not long, but just during that height, like it's borderline a Super Bowl commercial. So financially, it really eye-opening to me when I got that mail check money from it. It was like, okay, cool. And I dumped it right back into my jet ski. So it was pretty rad. I don't know. I think I got a pump upgrade or something that year. But
nice.
Nonetheless, that catapulted me into being to be in the union for stunts. You have to get Taft-hearted, which is somebody has to seek you out like a producer and say, this guy is the guy that needs to do our film. They pay a bunch of penalties and dues and make you eligible. Here's that video right now. That's the moment, right? Yep. That's it. Jet skiing in a pool of caviar. That was it. Yep. I'm that guy, but I'm not that guy. But so that was my very first stunt gig. Super fun. And then actually at the end of that video, people who watch it later, there's like he's on a lady pyramid, and then I doubled that, and they had me screaming obscenities for about 5 minutes, and they didn't really have to, but I was a new guy. But anyways.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.